Let me ask you something. You're an engineer, you design your parts, you select your materials, and you validate your geometry. And then you have to structure your entire production workflow around someone else's business model. You're paying 5 to 10 times the open market rate for RFID-chipped cartridges filled with the exact same polymer that you can buy from any supplier on the open market. You've got service contracts that run 10 to 15% of the machine's purchase price every single year just to keep things running. And you've got a proprietary slicer that you can't audit, you can't customize, and honestly, it's not even that great. And your toolpaths get compiled into a proprietary binary format that only their machines can read. That's not a tool, that's a leash. And if you've ever felt that frustration, this video is for you. Here at Vision Miner, we've been printing high-temperature engineering polymers for over a decade and helping businesses buy machines to do the same. PEKK, ULTEM, PEKK, PPS, PPSU, and many, many more. It's literally all we do. And we built the 22 IDEX specifically to solve the problem that I just described. So let's break down exactly how we did that. If you've priced out an industrial FDM system, you already know the sticker shock. These machines can run well over $100,000, and some configurations push past $250,000. But here's what they don't put on the brochure. Those machines actually run on a razor and blade model. The printer is the razor and the material is the blade. They put RFID chips into the material cartridges, and then they charge you 5 to 10 times what the same polymer costs on the open market. You're not paying for better material, you're paying for the chip. Now, the service contract, technically it's optional, but here's the reality. If you're sitting on a $150,000 machine and something breaks, your options are either pay the service contract or pay per incident repair rates with no guarantee on timeline. Most shops can't afford that gamble, so you pay the service contract. These are 10 to 15% of the machine's purchase price every single year. On a $150,000 machine, that's $15,000 to about $22,000 in a year before you even print a single part. And then there's the slicer. It's proprietary, it's black box. You feed it your model and it compiles your toolpath into a proprietary binary format called CMB. You can't open it, you can't edit it, you can't take it to another machine, you can't even read it. You're an engineer who can design parts for jet engines, but you can't see your own toolpath. That's the model. That's what the industry has accepted as the normal route for decades now. When we started Vision Miner, we wanted to challenge that. The 22 IDEX V4, $14,900, 0 recurring fees, no service contracts, no software subscriptions. So let's start with the material system. It's completely open. You can use any material from any manufacturer without voiding your warranty or hacking your machine. It uses standard 1.75 millimeter filament, and there's no RFID chips and no lockouts. We ship pre-tuned slicer profiles for every single material we sell, so you're printing successfully right out of the box. We provide these for Prusa Slicer, but if you want to use Simplify 3D, Cura, Orca Slicer, or whatever you're comfortable with, you just set it up and go. Your toolpaths are yours. Standard G-code. Open it, read it, modify it, take it wherever you want. Period. This machine runs 500 Celsius dual independent nozzles, and that covers literally every high-performance thermoplastic on the market. Every single one. It's got a 100 Celsius actively heated convection chamber. This is really the critical piece for semicrystalline polymers like PEKK or amorphous ULTEM 9085. It acts like an oven because it literally is an oven. It manages the crystallinity so that your parts actually hit their full mechanical strength, the chemical resistance, the heat deflection ratings, all that stuff. Now that eliminates the thermal shock for high shrinkage plastics, and it makes sure that your parts are going to stick to the bed no matter what you're printing. It's also got a triple motor Z-axis, so it's got 3 independent motors that physically level the bed so that your first layer is perfectly square to the nozzles without any kind of manual intervention. And the whole frame is welded steel, all metal kinematics. The machine is designed to run 24/7 at high temperatures, and that's exactly what our customers have been doing for the last 5 years now. This is not a modified desktop printer. This is an industrial tool at a fraction of the industrial price. Now here's the part that really breaks the old model. Think about risk for a second. You go buy one $150,000 machine, one component fails, and 100% of your production stops. That's a single point of failure, and it's an expensive one. Now consider this. A fleet of 4 22 IDEX machines costs less than half of a single Fortus 450 MC. If one machine needs maintenance, 75% of your factory stays online. And with the IDEX mirror duplication mode, both independent heads print the same part simultaneously. So 4 machines becomes an 8 printer production line. If you need left and right symmetrical parts like aerospace brackets or automotive panels, mirror mode prints both sides at once in a single job. And here's one of the key factors. You don't need a board of directors level CapEx approval to get started. You can buy one machine on a credit card, even though we do prefer wires. But you can immediately prove the return on investment and then scale once the ROI is clear. This happens in weeks for most of our clients, not years. And that's not a pitch, that's just math. And if it makes dollars, it makes sense. Now, if you already own and you're locked in, you're not ready to make the switch, we get it. That's why we carry Triton 3D consumables. Triton 3D makes drop-in replacement materials for Stratasys machines, cartridges, chips, and everything. It's the same polymers, it's the same quality, sometimes even better, and it's a fraction of the cost. So even if you're locked into one of those outrageously overpriced machines, you can start saving on consumables right now, immediately. Just go to visionminer.com/Triton3D. Now, whether you're coming to us for a new machine or you just want to stop paying the convenience tax on proprietary cartridge materials, we've got you covered. Also, if you need flight certified parts for aerospace and you think you're stuck, we've got machines like the Hilo that will do that too. Same benefits, bigger, hotter, and validated. Stop buying a contract and start owning your production. If you want to see the full specifications on the 22 IDEX V4, material data sheets, print profiles, everything, it's all at visionminer.com/22IDEX. And when you call us, you're not getting routed to some overseas call center or an AI assistant that doesn't actually read your emails. You're getting real American engineers who print on these machines every single day. So give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here to help you start saving money and time making high value parts. Thanks for watching, have a positive rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one.